This is welding technology at Mesabi Range College. This program has so much to offer to anyone who has interest in the welding industry.
Through our curriculum, you can obtain an entry or advanced level diploma.
I believe that welding is truly a craft. It takes a lot of focus, experience, and precision, but at the end of the day, it's very rewarding.
What I like about welding is that I like to work with my hands, and it's a great way to make a living.
There's always going to be room in the welding field for more people. It's something that is increasing in demand quite a bit.
We learn to work with a multitude of machinery and equipment, old and new, which enhances our skills and education greatly. Ryan, Randy, and Clayton are the instructors here. They all have a lot of knowledge and experience in the welding field. They also do a great job of preparing students for entering the workforce and demonstrating what it takes to become a successful welder. To learn more information about our program, please check out our website. Visit our campus here in Eveleth and apply today.